Santa Maria Bay is located in the central region of the state of Sinaloa, Mexico. It is a coastal lagoon important to local fishermen. More than 3 million tons of marine products are harvested annually. Additionally, the bay's importance is recognized internationally as one of the most critical sites in northwest Mexico for stopover and wintering for shorebirds during their biannual migration from the Arctic to Central America. The bay is located in the southern part of the Gulf of California, and it has a tributary, the Mocorito River. It is considered one of the most important wetlands in the state of Sinaloa for its vast expanse of more than 135,000 acres. Santa Maria Bay biological importance is recognized, along with 8 other coastal sites in the Gulf of California, to be among the 32 priority wetlands in all Mexico. Santa Maria Bay has 10 islands. One of the most important is Altamura Island, with an extension of more than 110 miles of sandy beaches. The islands allows the entrance of ocean water at both ends, La Risión and Punta Yameto. The second island in importance is Talchichilte, with a length 40 miles, formed by red soils. Another important island for birds is Pájaro Island, which is covered with mangroves. It is this island that is considered as the most important site for breeding colonial water birds, especially frigate birds, brown pelicans, cormorants, and different types of egrets. During the breeding season, you can see thousands of birds nesting in the mangroves. Among the different islands in the bay, El Rancho Island is one of the most important for ground nesting colonial water birds. Historically, numerous birds have nested here. Some of them are blue-footed boobies, royal terns, black skimmers, and laughing gulls. In just a few years, conservation activities, including research and outreach, have helped to increase the numbers of breeding birds. Its importance as habitat for shorebirds has been recognized by its being designated as an hemispheric site for the Western Hemisphere Shorebird Research Network in 2000. The biological richness of El Rancho site is also important to the local economy. For example, an average of 2 tons of shrimps are captured per year. There are also other marine species captured, including crab, fish, and sharks. Santa Maria Bay is one of the most rich and clean coastal lagoons in Mexico. Coastal littoral of the bays sustain different types of vegetation, including shrubs, desert plants, and grass. But it is the mangrove forest, red, white, black, and the botoncillo, that provides the greatest significance for their benefits to the local economy, as well as the birds. There are 2 predominant areas of mangroves. At Playa Colorada, to the north, there is a mangrove forest of over 16,000 acres. In the southern end of the bay, the mangrove forest extends over a surface of area of more than 24,000 acres. The coastal littoral of the bay is over 128 miles long, greater portion in the municipality of Angostura and the remainder in the municipality of Navolato. More than 190,000 local inhabitants in these 2 municipalities. The most important economic activities is agriculture, followed closely by fisheries. The bay obtains most of its nutrients from rainfall and runoff waters from the agricultural fields. Soil and nutrients form a muddy subsurface, rich in decaying material, and the tidal influence facilitates growth of microorganisms that sustains the food supplies for shorebirds. Today, Santa Maria Bay is the most important site for shrimp harvesting in Sinaloa, and it is a beautiful area to promote ecotourism activities, but it is simultaneously the most important and critical site for migratory in northwest Mexico. With all of its merit, it is the most significant wetland in Sinaloa.